Hello, today I'd like to demonstrate the course archiving process and give you some more detail on this project. We're going to start archiving courses in the Blackboard system starting in the summer of 2016. And in order to identify the courses which will be eligible for archiving, by the way, archiving simply means here exporting all the user, student, and faculty activity into a file and then removing the course from Blackboard. So in order to identify courses that will be archived, we will add the word archived and then SU16, that stands for Summer 16, in front of the course name. So when you log into Blackboard, you'll be able to plainly see which courses are going to be archived. I mean, smaller sets of courses like this one, it is going to be very few courses that will show as archived. But in other data sets, and here is a good example, we have multiple semesters of courses, and as you can see, a number of them are going to be archived, which will really simplify the display of courses for many faculty. So what can we do if perhaps we choose not to archive a course? Well, you'll be able to go and edit the name of the course, remove this prefix, and then the course will not be archived. To remove the prefix, you will simply select the course, then navigate to customization, and then properties, and then remove the prefix archived SU 16 and then press submit. So this will ensure that this particular course is not going to be archived automatically. Now you still have a choice and an option to archive courses manually and to keep the files yourself. Now in the automated archiving system, UIC is going to keep the archive files and they will be available for restoration upon request, and we're going to provide the URL in the form where the archives can be requested to be restored. But if you want to archive the file yourself and have your own copy for a record, you navigate to Export Archive menu, which happens to be under Packages and Utilities under Course Tools. And now the export package simply is going to have the content of the course, no activity, so no grades, no posts. An export package is useful if you'd like to restore a course instead of copying the course inside of Blackboard. But in this instance, we will use archive course. An archive course still will have all the content, but also all the homework and all the activity in the class, including the student accounts. So we can select to include the grade center history. So this would give an accurate view of a student activity throughout the semester. And we can now calculate the size of the file and then go ahead and press submit. Now this is going to take a moment, and an email will be sent as notification that the process has completed. But this will result in a zip file, and that zip file then can be downloaded from this very menu. The zip file then should be stored safely. Of course, it contains FERPA information, and so it needs to be protected from any type of distribution.